Hi, this is Will from Clerk Chat. Today I'm going to show you how to create your AI knowledge base and educate your assistant. Firstly, head over to the settings menu and navigate to the knowledge base. This is where you can post your material for the AI. Go to your website and find a page that has information you want your AI to know. In this case, I want my AI to know about my pricing structure. Click Ctrl P or Command P if you're on a Mac, and the print page will come up. Here you can choose to export to PDF using this button. I'm using Safari, but if you're on Chrome, you would do that up here and click Save as PDF. I'm going to click Export to PDF, name it something, and I quite like that name, and click Save. I'm going to download one more page from our Help Center on getting a new phone number. I'm going to do the same process, click Command P or Control P and export to PDF, name it, and click Save. Great. Now all I need to do is go back to the Clerk app and upload these materials to the knowledge base. I do that by simply clicking on the attach icon, choosing the file I want to upload, clicking upload, and then save, show you that that's uploaded. So I've uploaded these three already. We just uploaded get a new phone number. And now I'm going to upload the pricing. Upload and save. Great, and you can see that pops in there. Now your AI assistant will be able to respond to queries using the information we've just provided. The knowledge base accepts documents in either PDF, doc or CSV format. We recommend uploading as many documents, PDFs or CSVs as possible from your website, Help Center or any other data sources. This will build your AI's knowledge and make it more capable when answering your clients' questions.